Hello students, I thought you very well understand the multiplication of the fractions related to the exercise 2.3. Alright, now next property of the fractional number, that mathematical operation we are going to use, that is division of the fractions. Now exercise 2.4 is totally based upon the division of the fractions. How the fractional numbers are divided. Let us understand one by one the type of the division for the fractional number. Alright, before we start with the division of the fractional number with the whole number, division of the fractional number by the whole number, or division of the fractions by the fractions. First topic is reciprocal of the fractions. Alright, this is very important point to understand the division of the fractions, because this is used for the division of the fractions. Understand the definition. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1. The non-zero number, the number we are selected that are fractional number or whole numbers, but they are not 0. Alright, neither numerator is 0 nor denominator is 0. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocal of each other. If the multiplication of two such numbers which are not 0 and result is always 1, then those numbers are called reciprocal of each other. Alright, to understand this, let us take an example. If 5 by 2, a fractional number, is reciprocal of 2 by 5. Alright, 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 5. Alright, it is reciprocal of 2 by 5. We told that 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 5 and 2 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 2. Alright, the statement told that 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 5, then 2 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 2. That is vice versa. Alright, one number is reciprocal of other. But by the definition, if non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1, only then those numbers are reciprocal of each other. But in this example, it is told that 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 2. Let us understand that if these numbers are reciprocal of each other, then according to definition, their product with each other must be 1. Alright, if two numbers are reciprocal of each other, then their product, the non-zero number whose product, that is then their product with each other is 1. Let us multiply 5 by 2 with 2 by 5. When we multiply 5 by 2 with 2 by 5, both are the fractional numbers, and rule told that the numerator is multiplied with the numerator and the denominator is multiplied with the denominator. That is 5 multiplied 2 gives us 10. Similarly, in the denominator, when 2 multiply 5 gives the answer is 10. So when 10 divided by 10, result is both cancel each other, both can be divided by 10. Answer is 1. And this is the condition for the reciprocal fractions. That is, if multiplication, the non-zero numbers whose product, these are two non-zero numbers, and whose product means their product with each other is 1. Their product is 1. That's why 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 2. So reciprocal किसी फ्रैक्शनल नंबर का क्या होता है कि अगर उस फ्रैक्शनल नंबर से ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो कि दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद रिजल्ट क्या दे दे 1, then that number is called reciprocal of 5 by 2. In simple language, if I told you reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5 and reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. That is, numerator is changed into denominator and denominator is changed into numerator. Both are interchanged. That number is called reciprocal of the given fraction. Only then the result is 1. because the numerator is then cancel out with the denominator, and this numerator, that is second term numerator, is cancelled with the denominator of first. Alright, so the reciprocal of a fractional number is a number in which the numerator is changed into denominator and denominator is changed into numerator, so that when we multiply these two numbers, the given number and its reciprocal, the result is 1. If number is 2 by 5, its reciprocal is 5 by 2. If number is 5 by 2, then its reciprocal is 2 by 5. So first of all, you must understand the property of the reciprocal. Alright. Now start with the types of the division of the fractions. First type, division of whole number by a fraction. How we can divide the whole number, that is 1, 2, 3, start from 0. All the numbers are whole numbers, complete positive numbers, by a fraction. Alright. Now let us take few examples to understand how the division of whole number by a fraction possible. Alright, one thing you must understand, that the fractional numbers are not divided by the simple division. Simple division is possible only for the complete numbers like whole numbers. Alright, now start with this property. First of all, division. What is the sign of division? This is the sign of division. Alright, division of a whole number by a fraction. Example is 7 divided by 2 by 5. Alright, so 2 by 5 divide 7. Now, it is not possible to solve this question by simple division. So, we have to use the property of a reciprocal of the fraction, and method told that this division change into multiplication if the number after division, you must remember the number not before division sign, no, the number after division sign is give its reciprocal. The process is first number at its position, change the sign of division into multiplication, because simple division is not possible. So we have to change this division into multiplication, but the condition is that we have to write the reciprocal of 2 by 5 at the second place. That is, the number which is at the second place, we have to write its reciprocal with the multiplication sign. So first thing, when we divide a whole number by a fraction, we have to change the division sign into multiplication and multiply it with the reciprocal of given fractional number. Alright, that is whole number is then multiplied with the reciprocal of given fractional number. So this method you must remember always. So instead of writing division sign, we replace this sign with the multiplication and multiply it with the reciprocal of 2 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? As I have told you in the definition, the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. As we have right here now, 2 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 5. That is, the denominator change into numerator and numerator change into denominator. So instead of 7 divided by 2 by 5, rather than 7 is multiplied with 5 by 2. That is reciprocal of 5 by 2 by 5. Now this process is possible. As you know, na, in the multiplication we can multiply a whole number with a fractional number. And what is the method? First of all, change the whole number into a fractional number with the help of the 1. 1 can be placed in the denominator because it does not affect the value of the numerator or value of the whole number. So instead of 7, we must write 7 by 1 multiplied with 5 by 2. Now how the two fractional numbers are multiplied? The numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 7 multiplied 5 gives us 35 and 1 multiplied with 2 gives us 2. So overall result of 7 divided by 2 by 5 is 35 by 2, but not with the help of the division sign. We have to take help of the multiplication, but multiplication with not 2 by 5 but the reciprocal of 2 by 5. So you must always remember the process. Change the division sign into multiplication and instead of 2 by 5 write the reciprocal of 2 by 5, and the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2, and change the whole number into fraction and then multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Alright, let us take one more example to understand the division of whole numbers by the fractions. So second example told that 4 divided by 3 is to 1 by 3. Now what kind of number this is? This is a mixed fractional number. A whole number is divided by mixed fractional number. As the type told that division of whole number by a fraction. Fractions means proper fraction, improper fraction or mixed fraction. Any fraction can be placed at the second term. Alright. 4 divided by mixed fraction, that is 3 is to 1 by 3. Now your first step, change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. And what is the process to change mixed fraction? The denominator is multiplied with the whole part, that is 3 multiplied with 3 gives us 9. And numerator is added plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 3. Denominator does not change but numerator change. So the mixed fraction 3 is to 1 by 3 change into 10 by 3. So instead of 4 divided by 3 is to 1 by 3, we must divide 4 by 10 by 3. Now the process is similar as we have done in the first question. So what we have to do? Change the division sign into multiplication and multiplied with the reciprocal of 10 by 3, that is given fractional number. Reciprocal of given fractional number and its reciprocal is 3 by 10. Numerator is changed into denominator and denominator is changed into numerator. Next step, as we have done in this question, whole number is changed into fraction with the help of 1. 1 can be placed in the denominator. Now, numerator is multiplied with the numerator when two fractional numbers are multiplied. 3 multiplied 4 gives us 12 and 1 multiplied with 10 gives us 10. So, the overall result of 4 divided by 3 is to 1 by 3 is 12 divided by 10. Alright, I thought you very well understand first type of division, that is division of whole number by the fractions. Now, come towards second part. Division of a fraction by a whole number. What is the difference between these two types? Let us understand with the help of example. Here the question is 7 by 3 divided by 2. Now whole number at the fraction at the first position and whole number at the second position. In this case, whole number at the first position and fraction at the second position. That is, positions are interchanged. Now we have to divide a fractional number by a whole number. How we can divide? First of all, change the whole number into fractional number because the method is similar. Alright, we have to change the division into multiplication and the reciprocal of second part. Alright, or second term. But how can we find out the reciprocal of 2? We have to first write the whole number as the fractional number. That is, 2 can be written as 2 divided by 1 because 1 does not affect on any properties of the 2. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So we can change whole number into fractional number. We have to change to use the property, reciprocal property. Now, the same process again. The division is changed into multiplication with reciprocal of the given fractional number, that is 2 by 1. So 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1 is equal to 7 by 3 multiplied with reciprocal of 2 by 1, which is possible. So reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. You must understand, you have to multiply first number with the reciprocal of second number, not directly. Alright, with the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. That is, numerator is changed into denominator and denominator change into numerator. Alright. So 7 by 3 multiplied with 1 by 2. So numerator multiplied with numerator when two fractional numbers are multiplied. So that gives us 7 divided by 6. Alright. One more example for the division of fractional number by the whole numbers. These examples I have selected few from the examples of your exercise and few questions are from the exercise 2.4 itself. So you must understand the examples and the exercise also. These questions also from the exercise. Alright. Now, second question or second example for this type is 3:1 by 2 divided by 4. So first of all, to divide a mixed fraction by a whole number, we have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction, because mixed fraction cannot be divided directly, cannot be multiplied directly. You have to change the mixed fraction into simple fractions. Like in this question we have done. So how we can change the mixed fraction into improper fraction? The denominator is multiplied with whole part, then numerator is added. So 3 multiplied 2 plus 1 and divided by the denominator, that is 2. Then what happened here? 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. So 3:1 by 2 now change into 7 by 2, an improper fractional number. Then divided by 4. The first process is what? We have to change, as we have done in this example, change the whole number into fractional number by dividing by 1, so that we get a numerator and a denominator. You know na, because for a fractional number, a numerator and denominator both are required. So 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1. So next process is again change the division sign into multiplication. So 7 by 2 multiplied with the same process happen in all the questions, multiplied with reciprocal of 4 by 1, reciprocal of second term, that is 1 by 4. Alright, that's why I told you na, that reciprocal of fraction is very important part. Alright, so reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. So now when two fractional numbers are multiplied, numerator is multiplied with the numerator and denominator is multiplied with the denominator. Result is 7 by 8. So these are the two type of the division of a fractional number with the whole numbers. Next type, the division of a fraction by another fraction. Now both numbers are fractional number. In this case, one number is a whole number, either at the first position or at the second position. But in this case, division of a fractional by another fraction. First example, understand with the help of the examples. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Now, the second part is already a fractional number. So, there is no need to change any whole number into fractional number, because that is already given. You have to just use this process, that is reciprocal of. There is no need to use the first step, that is we have to change the whole number into fractional number. There is no need. because both are the fractional numbers. So directly using the next step, change the division sign into multiplication and multiply it with reciprocal of 1 by 2. So multiplied division change into multiplication, multiplied with reciprocal of given fractional number, that is 1 by 2. Result is 3 by 5 multiplied with 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Alright, and the result is 6 by 5 because the numerators are multiplied and the denominators are multiplied. Understand? See the second question. 2 is to 1 by 5 divided by 1 is to 1 by 5. Now, both are mixed fraction. But as I told you in these questions, in these two parts, the mixed fractions are not divided directly, even not multiplied directly. We have to first of all change a mixed fraction into improper fractions. As both are mixed fractions, so you have to first of all change both the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Process is denominator multiplied with the whole part plus numerator, that is 5 multiplied 2 plus 1. So 2 multiply 5 or 5 multiply 2, both are the same things, plus 1 divided by 5, that is 5 into 2 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5. Alright, now division sign we are not going to change, previously division sign. First of all, mixed fraction change into simple fractional number, then we have to use the process of the division. Next, 5 multiplied with 1 gives us 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 5. So question is now we have to change the pattern of the question. Mixed fraction are changed into improper fraction. And now question is 11 by 5 divided by 6 by 5. And the process is change the division sign into multiplication, and instead of 6 by 5 we have to use the reciprocal of 6 by 5, and the reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Alright, so 11 by 5 multiplied with the reciprocal of 6 by 5, that is 11 by 5 is multiplied with 5 by 6. So result is 55 by 30. Numerators are multiplied with each other, denominators are multiplied with each other. Alright, so we can find out its smallest value of the fractions. One more thing we can do, if the numerator and denominators, the numbers are same, now we can cancel out these numbers here. Alright, we can cancel out these numbers here, so that the result is 11 by 6. Or we can use this process also, that first multiply the numerators and the denominators, then find its smallest value. Alright, I thought you very well understand all the three type of the division. I have selected few questions from the exercise 2.4 for you, few examples and few exercise questions. Let us take few more questions related to the exercise 2.4 so that you have more understanding of the division. Alright, question number 1 for the exercise 2.1. Alright, first question. In first question, such kind of questions are given. 12 divided by 3 by 4. This is the type of which type question? Division of a whole number by the fraction. This is first type of division in which whole number is divided by a fractional number. So this process is used when whole number is divided by a fractional number. So we have to multiply this whole number with the reciprocal of the fractional number, that is 4 by 3. Alright, so but we have to change this whole number also into fractional number for the multiplication, as we have done in this question. So change this whole number into fractional form, that is 12 by 1, and multiplied with reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. So multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. We get 48 by 3. And then 3 divide 48, result is 16. Alright. I thought you very well understand. This is the first type of questions. Next, second question. In second question, the statement is find the reciprocals. First of all, find the reciprocals of the given fractional numbers and classify the fractions. Classify the fractions means that the question and the reciprocals both one by one are proper fraction or improper fraction or mixed fraction, or we can say a whole number. Alright, so you have to write what the question is, what type, and its reciprocal is what type. Alright, let us understand from one example. I have selected for you 3 by 7. This is a fractional number. Alright, which kind of fractional number? Its classification is proper fractional number. Alright, now find reciprocal na. The reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Alright, so the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. And this is proper or improper fraction? This is an improper fraction. Alright, first of all we have to find the reciprocal and its classification. Now, we can also prove that 3 by 7 and 7 by 3 are reciprocal of each other with the help of this property of the fractions. Alright, reciprocal. That we can also represent here 3 by 7 multiplied with 7 by 3 and result is 1. Alright, we can represent. Alright, otherwise this is our solution. Alright, we can represent that 7 by 3 is reciprocal of 3 by 7 by multiplying them. And you know very well the result of a fractional number with its reciprocal is always 1. Alright, now next question of the exercise. Find 4 by 9 divided by 5. Which kind of these questions are in which division of fractions by a whole number, that is second type. This is a fractional number and it is divided by a whole number, that is 5. Now what is the first process for this question? We have to change the whole number into fractional number, then change the division sign into multiplication and multiply it with the reciprocal of given fractional number, that is reciprocal of 5 by 1. So 4 by 9 is multiplied with 1 by 5. Result is 4 by 45. Alright. Next, the fourth question of the exercise is 3 by 7. This kind of question, I have selected one question so that you have more understanding that which kind of questions are how we can solve such kind of question. These examples are also from the exercise. Alright, so question 4 is 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. Both are the fractional number and this is the third type of the division. Division of a fraction by another fraction. Both are fractional number. Process is change the division sign into multiplication and multiply it with reciprocal of 8 by 7. And the reciprocal of 8 by 7 is 7 by 8. So change division into multiplication and reciprocal of 8 by 7 is 7 by 8. We get the result is 3 by 8. I told you in this question we can cancel out if the numerator and denominators are similar, or we can first multiply then find its simplest form of the fractional number. So result is 3 by 8. I thought you students you very well understand how the division of the fractious numbers are possible. So this is very important part for the fractional number. Division of a fractional number, to understand reciprocal of fractional number is very important. That is, reciprocal of a fractional number is by changing numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Alright, so you have to complete your exercise 2.3 and 2.4 in this week.